Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2022-2023 Mazda CX-9? This typically means your key fob battery is dead. Don't worry, there's a simple bypass. The car uses proximity sensors to detect the fob. To start the car, place the dead fob on the center console near the start button. Depress the brake pedal for automatic transmissions, and then press the start button. This activates the RFID reader, allowing the car to verify the fob's chip and start the engine, even without battery power. This method is a safety net built into the system. The Mazda CX-9's keyless system relies on a battery-powered fob, typically using a CR2032 lithium battery. These batteries usually last 2 to 3 years under normal use, but cold weather or frequent locking and unlocking can drain them much faster. Mazda has addressed this issue with over-the-air software updates and even issued a voluntary recall for certain 2020 to 2023 models to replace defective fobs or reprogram the system. Looking ahead, newer Mazda models from 2024 onward feature improved battery monitoring and are shifting toward app-based digital keys, which would eliminate the need for physical batteries entirely. While the bypass method is effective, proactively replacing the battery every 2 years helps prevent unexpected lockouts. If the bypass doesn't work, it could indicate a faulty body control module requiring dealer reprogramming rather than just a battery issue.